When it comes to gaming peripherals, SteelSeries is considered to be one of the top manufacturers in the industry. With the company's top-of-the-line tournament-grade headset, the 9H aims to win gamers over with its unique industrial design, multiple use scenarios, and SteelSeries build quality. The headset comes in at $159, which is about $100 cheaper than the Game Zero. This makes it fall right in the middle when it comes to pricing for gaming headsets. Upon opening the outside box, you'll find an inner plastic shell that houses the headset and accessories. As far as accessories goes, the SteelSeries 9H comes with a 1 meter long standard cable, a 2 meter long extension cable, as well as swappable analog plugs for a right angle connection, a headphone microphone adapter, and a USB sound card. The 9H only comes in a black color with orange accents. Having more color options couldn't hurt, but there's nothing wrong with a standard black headset. Other than the orange stitching and the padding covering the driver, everything else in the 9H headset is black, with the metal joints being the natural silver color. We really liked the plastic material that SteelSeries opted to use on the 9H. It feels very durable yet light enough so you won't notice it while gaming. In addition, the coating isn't very glossy, so there isn't much worry of it becoming a fingerprint magnet. Unlike other gaming headsets, the microphone on the 9H is actually retractable, meaning that you can slide it back into the left ear cup when not in use. The wire itself that the microphone uses is very sturdy, and you can bend it in any which direction you want, depending on the size of your face. The cable that plugs into the left ear cup uses SteelSeries' own proprietary connection and features a volume control, as well as a mic on-off toggle on the same switch. On the opposite end of the cable, you can attach either the headphone microphone cable, the right angle headphone connector, or the USB sound card. Overall, the 9H is a solid built headset. Considering it is a tournament grade headset, you don't feel like you will break it by dropping it or twisting the headband. The use of braided cables helps with any tangling issues, and the retractable microphone is a nice touch as it allows you to put it away when not in use so it doesn't get ripped out. One of the major features of the 9H is the removable wires. All of the wires are removable, making it easy to replace just the cable and not the whole headset. When it comes to comfort, the 9H definitely fits into the gaming category, meaning that even after 4 hours of playing Wolfenstein, we didn't notice any discomfort. Because it is an over-the-ear headset, we had to vent our ears occasionally, but that's normal with any headset that covers the ears. Noise isolation was a bit iffy on this headset. Although it was tough to hear what was going on the outside of the headset, there was some sound leakage, so people next to me could hear what I was listening to when I had the volume cranked up. When using the 9H and the USB sound card, you can go into the SteelSeries Engine 3 software to enable 7.1 virtual surround sound and Dolby Pro logic to convert regular stereo signals into a surround sound experience. In addition, the headset is capable of converting 5.1 signals into 7.1 signals. If you do hook up the 9H via the USB sound card, you'll definitely notice a reduction in the audio quality. When we switch from the USB sound card back to our dedicated creative sound card, we noticed a huge increase in clarity and bass performance. No longer were the mids and lows taken over by muddy bass, we could now actually make the difference between multiple tones. There is one caveat, however. When you don't use the USB sound card, you are unable to utilize the surround sound functionality of the headset. The 9H definitely sounded great when gaming. Personally, we felt that the Dolby surround feature actually took away from the overall audio quality. Although you do get a bigger soundstage, you sacrifice the quality, and for some, that is more important. Besides that, when hooked up via the 3.5mm jacks to our Sound Blaster Z sound card, we were blown away when playing Wolfenstein and Battlefield 4. Compared to our base reference Audio-Technica ATH M50s, we really enjoyed the soundstage on the 9H. Things sounded more open, and the bass was more visible and didn't feel too overpowering, whereas in the M50s, the bass was a bit toned down. One thing we really liked was the ability to set presets for different games. For example, you could have a preset made to change the equalizer when launching a certain title like Wolfenstein, and then have it reset after you close the game. Music-wise, the 9H sounds great when listening to top 40 tracks, and even bass-heavy tracks such as Skrillex's new album. Without an amplifier, the 9H can be a bit underwhelming, so we do recommend one if you really want to enjoy the music on the headset. In conclusion, the SteelSeries 9H is a great gaming headset for everyday use. The quality of the sound is superb for the $160 price tag, and the overall comfort of the 9H is hard to beat. Although there are some noise isolation issues, considering it is a tournament grade headset, it does the job as advertised, being that it blocks out the majority of the sound coming from the outside. We would have liked to see a wider variety of color options, but it's not something that takes away from the overall quality of the headset. In addition, the USB sound card left us wanting more, so if you want the true audio experience, we recommend picking up either a sound card or an amplifier. In the end, SteelSeries has long been known to be a great manufacturer for gaming peripherals, and the 9H is no exception.